Good morning, everyone. So it's 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm here. What am I doing here? This is, I believe, where the 5-kilometer run will start. So the run is not today. It's about 2 weeks from now. But I wanted to try the route and see if I can handle. See you later. Hello, everyone. Just finished 1 kilometer. It was easy because it was flat and then it was downhill. But then it was like an uphill for 100 meters. I had to walk it. So, okay, there's another uphill coming, and I think I'm gonna walk that too. Alright, see ya. Hello, everyone. I just reached 2 kilometers, and I keep on stopping, pausing. Not really stopping, just walking and jogging, and walking and jogging. This is very different from my regular route. My regular route is basically just flat. This one has uphills and downhills. Alright. Wow, I can see the moon. Is that the moon? What? Okay. See ya. Hello, everyone. I've reached 3 kilometers. That was easy because it was all downhill. And now, heading to 4 kilometers. I'm supposed to go up that bridge, but I can't do that now because the road is not closed. So I have to go under it. Alright, see you. Hello, everyone. I've reached 4 kilometers, but it was not it wasn't really a run because I had to stop because an old woman needed help. She needed to get an Uber, but she didn't have the application, the apps. Yeah. So I had to stay with her and wait for the Uber. Okay, and now I'm gonna go to the finish line. But okay, it's not really a run, but that's okay. It's my first try, and I think on Sunday I'm gonna try again. See ya. Hello, everyone. So I finished 5 kilometers. It was really good. So I need to do this again 2 more times, I think, in order to prepare well. Well, 5K is not really a big thing, but it will be my first time to do it with a group of people, you know. And we're gonna get the kit, we're gonna get the t-shirt, we're gonna get the bibs, excuse me. And yeah, it'd be nice. So here I am. This is the end point of the race. But right now they're setting up a different race. This is triathlon. It's gonna happen on the 12th, which is on Sunday. Yeah. So maybe I can't run on Sunday because they have events here. I don't know. Alright, happy weekend, happy Friday, happy weekend, everyone. Ciao. Hello, everyone. So I planned to take an Uber to go back to the starting point where my car is parked, but I think I'm going to buddy dog. But I think I'm gonna walk. I'm not gonna run because there's 1 kilometer uphill. So maybe jog. Yeah, let's see. Alright, see ya. Hello, everyone. So I have news. My feet hurt, like the side of my feet near the ball. So I think I'm gonna have to buy a new pair of shoes, running shoes. Let's see. Hello, everyone. So I'm reaching my 10-kilometer mark. Yay! Alright, and I finished it without getting too much sun, so that's good. Now I'm gonna see if I can get some new shoes because my feet are burning. Just the side of my feet, yes. Alright, see ya!